Hello everybody, my name is Danya S. Vargas, as you know from the Toy Channel review. Today we're going to review Intex streaming goggles and Quickies malfunction. So I guess we should open Quickies first. Okay, here we go. Actually, this is only for 4 and up. It's the malfunction character. There's a lot of characters. There's Cyclops, Cyborg, and Zombie Hombre, Bumpkin, Red Inferno, and Stealthy. This is malfunction. Okay. Next time, I'm also going to buy the others. So just wait for the video. So make sure you subscribe. 1, 3, seconds. Okay, it's open. It's open. Here we are. It's also kind of foamy to have some malfunction written here. And pretty sticky though. It's pretty sticky. So it makes it stick on the wall. Testing. Here you are. Okay, so we're done with that. Pretty soft. All these balls and stuff. And look, it is, I think this painted, and this sticker, and this one is foamy and plastic, so we don't know that. Let's put this aside. And our last package of the day. Intex Sport Relay Goggle. Something really like that. Our language and here we are. Let's open it. Let's open this bad boy and instructions. Oh, here we are. It also has included this for the nose. Not like this at all. You have to pick one. So here we are with the goggles. I choose the light blue. It's pretty neat to feel. So let's start off. I like to put my goggles like this. Is it clear? Yeah. You can adjust it at the back. It has an eye cup over here. Rubber. Let's try to push it down. Oh, that is one hand cup. You see? It's under my eye, and this is fogless UV protection. Get on with that. So, thanks for watching my video, and see you next time for more Quickies and other toys. Okay, so bye. See you next time. And make sure to subscribe my channel and like the button below. Over here, I'm waiting for your like. I'm waiting for your like. There we go. And make sure to comment down below what do you think of this video, because this is my very, very first video. So, bye.